My course, Politics 399, How Democracies Die, explores the erosion of democratic institutions from within. We've discussed things like polarization and disinformation and populism, but we also talk about resistance. Art is such a powerful mode of resistance. I thought, therefore, that this would be a great opportunity to collaborate with Art 106, Cari's sculpture course. Our students are creating inflatable sculptures. Cari, you can probably discuss why we chose the inflatable medium.
We thought about art that is political and thought about how in the past, throughout history, various governments and organizations have used aspects of art, like elements of art that are familiar to the community and the public for their own sort of, to get their own message across.
I for president, I for president, I for president, I for president, you like I like I.
So we thought it'd be interesting to sort of subvert this idea of the inflatable lawn sculpture and have it be something that people think they understand, but then have to sort of give a second look to because it's expressing an opinion that is not what's expected. And the students really kind of got behind that in a really interesting way and have developed some really strong and funny projects.
There is 2 people from the sculpture class and 2 people from the politics class. So we come together and kind of shared ideas, and the sculpture class gives more of the art ideas and like the construction, and the politics class gives us more of a background on politics and like democracy. We actually gave each other presentations on sculptures and democracy, which really helped us understand each other's subjects.
It's really been a lot of fun working with what we have and learning new stuff, both in artist techniques and also in democracy. I think the most significant thing is kind of how easily politics maps onto art and how art can be inherently political. We're being very overt with it. Obviously, we're using our Statue of Liberty as kind of a message about the current state of immigration. So it's been very interesting seeing how much you can kind of incorporate symbols of democracy and politics into art to convey the message of kind of where America stands today with immigration.